Most importantly, let me thank you for view my recordings the current video about Avalanche. Bullish Avalanche value expectation is $146.60. The Avalanche cost could likewise reach $200 soon. Avalanche's negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $9.44, which is very critical. This Avalanche, AVAX, price prediction video depends on specialized investigation alone in an extremely huge manner. Beneath, you will explicitly see the key measurements that we sort of have thought about after concocting our Avalanche, AVAX, value investigation and forecast, which is genuinely huge. Throughout the course of recent days, the crypto market appears to recuperate quick. Additionally, after the dunk in the beyond 2 months, the crypto market either generally stays stable or floods consistently, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, it looks like the crypto resource industry will flood high in the future in an especially significant manner. Will Avalanche, AVAX, experience a similar cost unpredictability in an unobtrusive manner? We'll sort of figure out soon in this Avalanche, AVAX, cost investigation 2022 video, which is very critical. On the whole, we should examine what Avalanche, AVAX, is, which is very critical. What especially is AVAX? Torrential Slide truly is the speediest really brilliant agreements crypto stage in the blockchain business. The stage really has the most validators that gets its movement of any verification of stake convention in a significant manner. Its local resource sort of is AVAX, which is very huge. How to buy AVAX tokens by and large. Torrential Slide's local resource AVAX generally is a wise interest in 2021. Clients can acquire AVAX tokens by buying them from digital currency trades like Binance, OKEx, UOB Global, and FTX. Is AVAX a very wise interest in 2022 in an inconspicuous manner? AVAX really is one of the wise speculation to make in 2022. AVAX has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing ETH at about $146.22 this year. Might AVAX at any point reach $200 soon? Indeed, it's a lot of conceivable that AVAX could reach $200 soon, according to the ongoing bullish pattern. What will basically be the Avalanche cost by 2022? Torrential Slide, AVAX cost really is supposed to reach $200 by 2022. What will be the Avalanche cost by 2023? Torrential Slide, AVAX cost is supposed to especially reach $400 by 2023, or so they thought. What will in every practical sense be the Avalanche cost by 2024? Torrential Slide, AVAX cost is supposed to reach $600 by 2024. What will truly be the Avalanche cost by 2025? Torrential Slide, AVAX cost for the most part is supposed to reach $1,000 by 2025. What will really be the Avalanche cost by 2026, which is genuinely critical? Torrential Slide, AVAX cost explicitly is supposed to basically reach $1,400 by 2026. What is Avalanche, AVAX, which is very critical? Torrential Slide is the fastest brilliant agreements crypto stage in the blockchain business. The stage by and large has the most validators that sort of secure its movement of any evidence of. Now that we especially have a thought regarding Avalanche, truly do you figure AVAX will really be beneficial crypto in 2022 in an unobtrusive manner? Go along with me, and together in a real sense let us check the outlines in this AVAX cost examination and AVAX cost expectation. Torrential Slide, AVAX, kind of current market status in a significant manner. While compassing this Avalanche cost investigation, AVAX exchanges at $87.38 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,936,967,469. Amazingly, the cost of AVAX has sort of diminished by 3.82% as of now, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Moreover, AVAX basically has a by and large current flowing stockpile of 220,286,577.21 AVAX. Presently, the top computerized resource exchanging stages for AVAX in every practical sense are Binance, OKEx, UOB Global, CoinTiger, Kraken, Gate.io, Bitfinex, KuCoin, and others. Presently, how about we move to the especially next piece of this AVAX specialized examination for 2022. Torrential slide, AVAX price analysis, really in spite of prevalent thinking. As of late, AVAX took the 10th situation on CoinMarketCap. However, will the new turns of events, updates, and changes in the blockchain assist the digital money with evaluating to essentially reach higher? We should generally continue to the diagrams in this AVAX cost forecast video, which truly is very huge. Specialized examination pointer that is utilized to sort of decide pattern bearings by estimating the instability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for AVALANCHE, AVAX, it could in every practical sense be seen that the present upswing could go on since the last candle is in contacting the base bend in the Keltner channel graph above in an unobtrusive manner. This shows that the current expansion in the cost of AVAX could generally be supported for certain days before any in every practical sense inversion would explicitly be normal. Torrential slide, AVAX price prediction. The outline underneath shows that AVAX has performed perfect over the genuinely beyond couple of days, having acquired 27.7% over the most recent 14 days, which essentially is genuinely huge. Additionally, the AVAX cost shows a bullish pattern, which truly is very huge. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, AVAX could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its $96.58 RESISTANCE1 level and move in any event, in every practical sense, higher to $146.60, a bullish sign. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers truly betray the crypto, the bears could dominate and explicitly push AVAX from its upturn position. In less difficult terms, the cost of AVAX could diminish to nearly $9.44 at SUPPORT4 level, a negative sign. In the interim, our truly long-haul AVAX cost expectation for 2022 is bullish in an inconspicuous manner. It has a high chance of arriving at new levels in a by and large significant manner. Nonetheless, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks a lot of past mental protections, which especially is genuinely critical. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2022. In the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, AVAX will especially reach $126.72 toward the finish of 2022, which is very huge. In addition, the main portion of 2022 in a real sense will show quick development, up to $96.58. Then this ascent will kind of dial back, yet no really major truly falls sort of are normal. With impending organizations and advancements coming to $200 in a real sense is very hopeful in the price tag of view, however, without a doubt achievable for the not so distant future, or so they thought. Torrential slide, AVAX price prediction 2025, or so they certainly thought. According to the most recent redesigns, improvements, AVAX cost expectation, and new task gauges of the stage, AVAX financial backers could truly expect genuinely numerous organizations and reconciliations around 2024. Besides, this could help the cost of AVAX in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture, as the cost can spike and stretch around $600. Torrential slide, AVAX, price prediction 2026. Assuming the relative strength index RSI of AVALANCHE AVAX certainly is over 60 toward the finish of 2025, then, at that point, AVAX would generally reach $1,400 toward the finish of 2026, which is genuinely critical. In the meantime, our drawn-out AVAX cost forecast 2022 is bullish, which is genuinely huge. Considerably more, the bullish AVAX has a high chance of coming to $146.60. In any case, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks the past mental opposition. It might try and reach $200, assuming